Hello and welcome to Someka Currency Converter. This tool mainly presents you the analysis of three different database sources. It is constructed by three parts. These are calculations, exchange rates databases, and the dashboard itself. Once you open the template, hit the refresh button and then OK. Once you do that, the database will be renewed. You will see the recent update of the database and if it is updated on this table. You may check which currencies are included in which database from currencies lists. So let's start with the exchange rates databases. In IMF section, you will see the currency converter of IMF data for 1 year. The empty cells indicate there are no data provided by the source. To go back to menu, press back to menu. In the ECB section, you will see the last 90 days of the currencies, and this data comes from the ECB data. In daily exchange rate, you will see the recent currency rates in terms of dollars. In the output and calculation section, let's start with sum total value into one currency. In this section, choose the currency you would like to sum as. Type down the value and the currency of your money. Once you add, the chart of your portfolio will be automatically updated. You may also edit your chart title by changing this cell. If you need additional rows, you can press on the plus sign on this template. In the Compare Exchange Rate, choose the source, the amount, the currencies, and the date you would like to display the converter's rate. If you don't input any date, it is going to take the recent data and will display in here. However, let's say that we're looking for the data on 15th, and once you input the date, it is going to bring the rate and the date. If you choose Exchange Rates org, it will only bring the recent data. Some cells may state not found. The reason for that is if there is an empty data in the source's data, it won't be able to display. This may also occur because of holidays as well. In the history chart currencies compare, choose your date range. The biggest range for the dates is 90 dates. Choose your currencies to be converted and to convert. Choose your source and then edit the title if it is necessary. Once you're done typing, hit the refresh chart button to update the chart. If you make a change in the input, the refresh chart must be pressed in each time. And lastly, in the history chart compare sources, choose your date range and your base and convert it to currencies. Once you input, refresh the chart and it will compare the databases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.